locking the ARC application during acquisition. To lock the ARC application during acquisition, which prevents unwanted access to the application and anonymizes patient information on the screen, press Ctrl-Alt-L on your keyboard. Ctrl-Alt-L will lock the ARC application, and any mouse movement or keyboard press will initiate a user login unlock screen. The user must then choose the username and assign the appropriate password to that username to gain access. There is a separate tutorial highlighting additional screen lock features available from the tutorials for administration.